na sasakyan. Tapos doon din yung entrance. Tapos may makikita kayo mga...
Para agresibo tong ano. Agresibo to.
Saan na kayo nakapark?
Agresibo.
Oo, tawagan ko siya.
Mas mababangga ka po. Nakakatakot pa.
Move na. So yeah. So yeah. Grabe. And we are lucky kasi umabot pa tayo. So today is our rest day. Umabot pa tayo. So yung panahon po ay cloudy. Medyo windy. So tapos na po, winter is finished but still
Halfway through spring, yeah?
yeah.
Middle of spring.
Middle of spring. Winter is finished.
That's it.
And today is 22 degree, 19 degree I mean.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Beautiful day.
Yeah, beautiful day. Not too much hot. And spring. Middle of spring and windy.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah, so hopefully,
Good day for flying kites.
yeah, hopefully hindi umulan. So, what's your name, my friend?
Rocky.
Huh?
Rocky.
Rocky?
Rocky.
Rocky.
That's it.
His name is Rocky from where?
From Echuca.
Video
That's
on
it.
my Facebook page.
Perfect.
Noy Farmer sa magsasaka sa Australia.
You tag us, tag Billabong Ranch, and we'll be able to watch it.
Oh yeah. And then you need to watch.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Sure.
tonight, maybe after.
And then I can do some sorting for wives for my brother.
Oh! Shout out to my family dyan sa Antipolo and sa Bicol. And to all our friends there in Australia from different countries, to all our supporters, shout out everyone! We're here now, so... Yeah. Ayaw magpahawak. Tapos ang ilong. So still, stopping again. Akalain mo yan, kaya pala nagpahuli ako kasi gagawa pa ko ng content. God is good. Okay, let's go! And I'm alone here in the front. We are lucky also because I'm in the front. Thank you so much! Lalabs, nandito ako sa nakatapos na kami sumakay ng camel. May nakita akong basuran, tama-tama may plastic. So ang gagawin ko ngayon, dahil kukunin ko yung mga, wala akong gloves. So kunin ko yung mga lata. So yun. Ayun. Ayun. So 10 cents to sa Australia, lalabs. So ayun. So na nakaraan pala 135 yung kinita ko sa lata. So bawat bote po may 10 cents to. So isasara ko na kasi wala akong gloves, so mahirapan. May pangalawa. So pangalawa, kunin na natin. So isang bote, ayan, isang bote. Kunin natin siya. Isang bote, 10 cents. So isang bote. So nakarami na tayo ng bote. So dito bubuksan ulit natin. Isa lang. Isa. Dalawa.